Right. Coming to the next topic is before that, let's see here I drawn different colors on the board and I gave numbering 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So by seeing this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So maybe you have got one idea about pH skill. pH skill, right? Okay, your guess is right. Then let us discuss the another topic regarding to acids, bases and salt is universal indicator. Universal is universal indicator. Universal indicator. Maybe I know the board appear white because of paint applied. So for many days it will be like that only. So I can't do anything, but I can make the videos, right? So the board maybe is not clear, but my explanation is clear. Let us discuss universal indicator. What is this universal indicator? As already we know what is indicator. We discussed what is indicator, types of indicators, natural indicators, synthetic indicators, right? So natural and synthetic. So litmus, blue litmus, red litmus, turmeric indicator, right? Phenolphthalein indicator, methyl orange indicator, right? Olfactory indicators. We already discussed, right? So what about this universal indicator? Whatever the indicators we discussed previously, either blue litmus or red litmus, methyl orange, phenolphthalein, olfactory indicators. These are the indicators which are previously discussed. Gives an idea is the given substance is either the acid or base only. We can identify the given substance is either acid or base, but we cannot identify and we cannot determine either if it is the acid or if it is the base. We know the given substance is either acid or the base, but with help of these indicators like litmus blue, litmus red, phenolphthalein, methyl orange, olfactory indicators, with them we cannot identify the strong acids, weak acids, strong bases and weak bases. Weak bases. To determine, to know the strength of given acidic substance or basic substance, we have to use the another indicator. Another indicator is called universal indicator. This universal indicator is a mixture of many colors. The universal indicator is a mixture of many dyes or many colors, which gives different colors of different pH values, different pH values of the entire pH scale. So universal indicator is a indicator which consists of so different colors of different pH values on a pH indicator or in a pH scale. pH scale, right? So if it is dark red, so its pH is 0. If it is red, its pH is 1 and 2. If we observe that orange red or uh, orange red 3, orange 4, orange yellow 5, yellow green 6, green 7, blue green, blue is green 8, blue 9, navy blue 10, then purple little bit, purple 11, 12 also 12, 11, 11 and 12 purple, then 13 and 14 are the violet. 13 and 14 are the violet. Based on the color, based on the number, then we can identify the acid is a strong acid or the strong basis. Here, like litmus, universal indicator also is available in the form of liquids and in the form of papers, in the form of liquids or in the form of papers. Even blue and red litmus available in the form of liquids and in the form of sheet or the paper. In the sheet or the paper. Similarly, universal indicator also is available in the liquids and paper. So we want to test the substance, either is acidic nature or the basic nature, and we want to know the given substance, the given acid, for example, is strong acid or weak acid, or we want to know the strength of the base, like strong base or the weak base. So simply we have to we have drop the given acidic solution on the pH paper, on the pH paper. That are the universal indicator. This universal indicator in the form of paper consists of all colors with the number, So when we drop a little amount of a given acidic solution on the universal indicator, depending upon the color, formed on the universal indicator paper, then we can identify the given substance is a acidic nature or having acidic nature or basic nature, and also we can identify is it strong or weak. If it is acid, if it is strong acid, then what will happen? The color shows like this, either dark red, right, and orange yellow, orange red, because as already we discussed, so the pH of the acidic solution is 0, 1, 2, 3, 0 or 2, 0, 1, 0 or 1 or 2 or 3, then these are considered as the strong acids. If it is shows the color of yellowish green, it is a 6. It is a 6. Then it is 6 in the sense it is a weak acid. It is a weak acid. If it shows green, then the given substance is a neutral. Or if the given solution shows what we can say that blue, it shows blue, then we can say that it is a weak base. It is a weak base, as we know 8 to 10 is an example for weak bases. Is example for weak bases. If the solution forms, the solution gives either purple color, formed purple color on a universal indicator that represent a base, that too it is a strong base. It is a strong base. So by using this universal indicator, we can easily identify the strength of either acid or the base. You can easily identify the nature of the substance. It is acid or base, or if it is acid, it is a strong acid, or weak acid. If the given solution is a base, we can easily know the strength of the base. Based on the strength, we can identify that the given base is a strong base or the weak base. Strong base or the weak base. So right. So this is about universal indicator. Universal indicator. So universal indicator is mixture of many colors, consist of different pH values on the pH paper, on the pH scale or the pH paper. This is used or is used to identify the strength of either acid or base, right? So that's all about universal indicator. So the colors are the very important, so keep in mind. Some cases in examination as, if the solution A is dropped on the universal indicator paper, then the if the solution A forms green color, then what is the nature of the substance A, or the what is the nature of solution A, right? So if it is from purple, what is the nature of the solution? If it is from dark red, what is the nature? What is the nature of the solution? In this way, there will be questions will become in examination. So you have to understand the concept properly. For better understanding, you have to read the textbook. You have to read the textbook. So this is about universal indicator.